Good morning, children. Sai Ram. A very warm welcome to all of you. So, children, today in this video, we will going to learn how to write letter. Okay, we will going to learn letter writing. So, children, do you know that the people in the ancient time, or you can say the earlier times, when there was no mobile phone, no smartphones, and no laptop, no computers, at that time, how people used to communicate, how people used to send messages from one place to another, from one people to another? How? With the help of letter. With the help of letter. Letter is the common mode of communication. Okay, it is the common mode of communication. So nowadays we have smart devices, we have laptops, computers, right? We don't prefer to write letter. Instead, what we do? We just send text, messages, emails. That is more easier. But children, letter writing is a skill which you should learn. So children, why it is a skill? Because you have to express your feelings, emotions in letter while using words. Okay, so letter writing is a skill which you should learn. Now, what is letter writing? Letter writing is a common mode of communication. It is a common mode of communication. Most commonly, people prefer to write letter. Okay, mostly in earlier times when there was no cell phones, no mobile phone, that means no smart devices were there. Okay, that is why letter writing is a common mode of communication. It is a creative way to express one's feelings in a fixed format. That is why I am saying letter writing is a skill, because in a fixed format you have to express your feelings and emotions. You cannot make your own format. You have to follow that format, and following that format you have to write the letter. Okay, so children, generally there are two types of letters. That is your informal letter and formal letter. Informal letter and formal letter. Today in this video we will going to cover only your informal letter. Okay, and in the next video we will going to cover your formal letter. So what is informal? Informal means the letter which we write in a casual manner. Okay, in a relaxed manner. Okay, so what is informal letter? We write informal letters to our close relatives, friends, family members, etc. That is why I have told you that informal letter is written in a casual way. Okay, in a relaxed way, because we write informal letters to our close relatives, friends and family members. Okay, so you can use friendly tone while writing informal letter. And in an informal letter we use simple language. Okay, and express our feelings in a natural manner. What you are thinking, that only you write in informal letter. Okay, so we use simple language and to express our feelings, okay, in a natural manner. We write informal letter to express personal thoughts and feelings. We write informal letter to express personal thoughts and feelings. We write in a simple language to express our feelings in a natural manner. And we write informal letter to express personal thoughts and feelings. Okay, and informal letter is also referred to as a friendly letter, because we write in a friendly tone, friendly manner, or you can say it is a personal letter. Okay, informal letter is referred to as a friendly letter or a personal letter, because we write informal letter to our relatives, friends and family members. That is why you can say that informal letter is a friendly letter or a personal letter. Okay, we write informal letter for some reasons, like conveying message, like sending for writing letter while for inviting friends in your brother's wedding, sister's wedding, okay, for giving any news whether it is good or bad, and giving some advices, thanking letter. So we write different kind of letters. I mean, these are the reasons for which we write informal letter, to our family, to our friends, to our relatives, okay. And congratulating recipient, even sometimes for congratulating your family members, relatives or friends, then also we write informal letter. It is a personal letter written to whom you are familiar. That means you write informal letter to those person whom with you are close, okay, So this is the format. Now we will see the format of writing informal letter. That means which format we have to follow while writing informal letter. So this is the format of informal letter. So children, you can see here I have written here house number 92, Raiwala, Dehradun and Uttarakhand. So children, this is the sender's address. Whose address? Sender's address. Who is sending the letter? I am sending the letter. That is why I am what? I am a sender, because I am writing this letter. I am a sender. Okay. So I have written my address. If you will send letter to anyone, you will write your address, not mine. Okay. You will write your address. So the address which I have read right now, this address is sender's address. That is my address, because I am a sender. Okay. Then next we write date. Leave one line, then we write date. May 8, 2020. May 8, 2020. You write the date when you will write the letter. You have to mention that day only, that particular date only. Okay. Then we have written what, children? Date. After sender's address we have written date. Then again leaving one more line, you will write dear. This is what, children? This is salutation. This is known as what? Salutation. Okay. Now here you can see I have written dear Monica. What you will write here? Not Monica. You will write your friend's name. Or relatives like uncle, aunt, or you are writing a letter to your parents. You can write dear mom, dear dad, or writing to cousins, or writing if you will write letter to the similar age group friends, what you will do? You will write only name. But if you are writing letter to someone elder, like your relatives, your parents, then you will use dear mom, dear dad, dear uncle, dear aunt, like that. Okay. So here I have written dear Monica. You will write your friend name whom you want to send letter. So children, here you will write your friend name. Okay. Your friend name whom you want to send letter. So after that comes body of letter, or you can say message to be conveyed. You can see here, children, where you are writing sender's address is the head of your letter. Same way, proper way, your body parts are like that. In the same way, the first thing which you write is your is sender's address. That is the head of the letter. Okay. After that, date, salutation. Then after leaving one line, you write introductory paragraph. Okay. Introductory line. Okay. Then you write body of the letter, and or you can say message to be conveyed, that for what purpose you are writing that letter, for what reason you are writing that letter, what message you want to give in that letter, that you write in the body of letter, Okay. After that comes yours affectionately and sincerely. This is known as, children, subscription. subscription. This is known as what, children? Subscription, where you write your affectionately, sincerely, lots of love, best wishes. These are the phrases which you use only in informal letter. This is known as subscription. This is known as subscription. Okay, then what you do, then you will write your name. Then you will write your name. Okay, so here you can see, after this what after subscription you write your name. I have written my name, you will write your name. Okay, and then you do signature. Generally signature is required in formal letter, not in informal letter. Okay, so the first we have written, what we have to write, the first format is sender's address. We will write sender's address, that means who will send the letter. Okay, then you write date. You have to mention the date which you are writing the letter. Okay, on the date which you are writing the letter, you have to mention that particular date. Then you write salutation. For your friends, you can take their name, like I have written dear Monica. For writing relatives or elder, like relatives and parents, you can write dear mom, dear dad, dear uncle, dear aunt. Okay, then comes the introductory. Introductory is what, children? Where you ask about their well-being. Okay, then you write body of the letter, where you write what message you have to convey, what message you have to give. Okay, what message you want to give, what message you want to convey, for what purpose, for what reason you are writing that letter. Then comes subscription, where you use these friendly phrases. And then comes signature. Okay, where you generally write your name. Okay, so let's see one example here. Now you have to write a letter to your friend thanking him or her for the birthday present. If the boy will write the letter, he will use him, and if the girl will write the letter, she will use her. Okay, him is for boy and her is for girl. So you have to write a letter to your friend thanking him or her for the birthday present, So here I have written one letter. Okay, so you can see above I have written the sender's address, that is my address. When you will write the letter, children, you have to write your address. You have to mention your address, not mine. Okay, so I have written here house number 92, Raiwala, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. So this is the sender's address. Then I have mentioned date. After leaving one line, I have mentioned date, that is May 8, 2020. Then after leaving again one line, I have written salutation, that is dear Monica. You will write your friend name. Whom you want to send letter. Okay, then comes children introductory, which I have told you what is introductory, in which we ask about the well-being of the person whom we are writing letter. So here you can see, I hope that you are well by the grace of God. So I am asking the well-being of the person whom I am writing the letter. So I hope that you are well by the grace of God. Okay, I received your letter. After this, from here your letter start, the body of the letter. Okay, I received your letter the day before yesterday. I was pleased very much to receive your present. Okay, receive your present. Wait, children. So again we will start. I hope that you are well by the grace of God. Here it is the introductory line. Okay, I am asking about the well-being of the person whom I am writing the letter. Then the body of the letter start. I received your letter the day before yesterday. I was pleased very much to receive your present. Okay, receive your present. On my birthday, I was pleased very much to receive your present on my birthday. You gave me a book, Panchatantra, as a present. You gave me a book Panchatantra as a present. You know that I really like this book. So I became very delighted getting such kind of gift. Okay, then comes the conclusion. I think that your present is not just a present, rather it is a symbol of your love for me. Bye for now. Convey my best regards to your parents and love to the young girls. Lots of love, and then my name Seema Thakuri. So children, first you will write what? Sender's address, that is your address. Then you will mention the date. On the date, on that date when you are writing the letter, you will mention that particular date. Then you will write dear and the name of the person whom you are writing the letter. Then you will then you will write that introductory line. Okay, then the body of the letter, and at last conclusion. That how you want to sign off the letter, and then you use any friendly phrase, and then writing your name, you close the letter. Okay, here your letter end. So children, this letter you have to write it down in your rough notebook. Okay, in your rough notebook or whichever notebook you are having with yourself, you can write in that. So while writing the letter, children, first you write this question and then you write this letter, and here you will write your address, the date when you are writing the letter, and your friend name and your name. Okay, you don't have to copy all these things. Okay, even if you want, you can change the body of the letter, you can change the present. Okay, no need to copy the same letter. If you think you want to change the body of the letter, you can do that. Okay, you can do that. You can write any present, the books or anything which you like, you can write about that thing. Okay, so now, so children, let's see, there are some tips which you have to remember while writing informal letter. First thing is address, because address is the head of the letter, right? So address of the writer should be written at the top left hand corner of the page. Here you can see it is in the top left hand corner of the page. Okay, so you have to write the address of the writer at the top left hand corner of the page. Okay, then the address should be accurate and complete. The address should be accurate and complete. If your address will not be accurate and complete, your letter will not reach to the right place. It will not reach to the right place. So you have to write your address accurate and complete. Okay, then second is date. Just below address you write mention date. Okay, mention the date just below the address after leaving one line. After address you have leaved one line, then you have written date. Again you have leave one line, then you have written salutation. So mention the date just below the address. Then this allows the reader to have a reference as to when the letter was written. Okay, date helps the receiver to know that when you have written that letter. So date is very important. That is why I am telling you, you have to mention that particular date when on the date when you are writing that letter. Date should be in expanded form. Date should be in expanded form. Okay, so next, greeting and salutation. We have, okay, that is greeting or salutation. So while writing letters to friend and relatives, we address the reader as dear, right? And while writing to friends, cousins, siblings, you can greet them using their name. Okay, as I have told you. And while writing to an elders like relatives, parents, you may greet them as dear mom, dad, uncle, aunt. Okay, so in salutation or in greeting, if you are writing letter to your friends, you can write their name. And while you are writing to elders like relatives and parents, you can write dear mom, dear dad, dear uncle, dear aunt. Then comes your introductory paragraph, in which you ask. Now from here we start writing the actual letter, okay, and in which you ask about their well-being. You ask about their well-being. In introductory paragraph, you ask about their well-being, okay. Then comes the body of the letter. The letter should maintain a friendly tone. While you are conveying the message, children, in informal letter, you should take care that the tone of the letter should be friendly. Tone of the letter should be friendly. It should look friendly. Then you can choose or adjust your wordings according to who you are writing, okay. You can choose your wordings, you can adjust your wordings according to who you are writing the letter. While writing to friend, you can afford to be very casual. You can write letter in a casual manner, in a friendly manner. While writing to elders, you must be respectful. That means while writing letter to your mother, father, or any your close relatives, you should be respectful. You should be respectful. But while writing to friend, you can afford to be very casual, okay. You can afford to be very casual. Then comes subscription. Subscriptions. There is no one way to sign off the informal letters. There is no one way to sign off the informal letters, okay. So you can close the letter in any form. You may sign off the letter as you please, because there is no strict format, okay. You are writing letter in a friendly manner, so there is no fixed format. You can sign off the letter as you please. So some commonly used phrases are lots of love, best wishes, kind regards, yours affectionately. So you can use these common phrases while writing informal letter. So children, first you should take care of address. You have to write accurate and complete address. You have to write address left hand corner of the page. You have to mention the exact date when you are writing the letter, okay. Then while greeting in salutation, you can write dear while writing to a friend, but while writing to elder, you have to mention dear mom, dear dad, and etc. Then comes introductory paragraph. Introductory paragraph where you ask about the well-being of the receiver, okay. Well-being of the receiver, or you can say well-being of the person whom you are writing the letter. Then comes body of the letter, in which the message you are conveying should be in a friendly tone. It should maintain a friendly tone, and you can choose your or adjust your wordings according to who you are writing the letter. While writing to friend, you can afford to be very casual. You can write it in friendly manner. While writing to elders or any close relatives, you should be very respectful. Then comes subscription, in which you can sign off the letter as you please, okay, because there is no strict format to follow. Then you can use these commonly used phrases like lots of love, best wishes. So children, this is the format. These are the tips which you have to remember, and this is the format of writing informal letter which you have to follow while writing informal letter. So children, write this question and write this letter in your rough notebook, okay. Mention your address, mention the exact date, and mention your friend name, and then at last mention your name, okay. So children, I hope you understood and learned that how you have to write informal letter, okay. So children, next topic, that is your formal letter, we will cover in the next video. Sai Ram children, take care.